to those changes. Another thing that I can do is, because I'm going to place more than one view, what I want to do is turn off maintain alignment so that I can actually move this view up out of the way. Just going to move it up here. Then we're going to come down and grab the section view again, and this time as I pull it out, what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn off, I'm going to just get section only, and it's just going to show me the section of where that cutting plane actually goes through the model. One of the neat things about this is if we do have some small areas that you want to zoom up on, you can come and you can create a detail view. In this case we'll just do the simple circle one, and we'll add a detail view. You'll notice that it will also tag it as detail C, so that shows you what it's related to, what detail it's related to if you have several of these in your view. If you want to create a custom detail view, you basically select the view, it takes you into that sketching environment, automatically puts you in the line command, so you can come down and you can actually create a custom shape detail view. And it really doesn't matter what the shape is as long as it's closed. And when you come out, it adds that shape of the detail view. So if you want to do some type of custom detail views, you can do that. Now, one of the other cool things about this is all of this entire sheet can be dimensioned, and we're going to take a look at dimensioning on the next sheet. But I can show you that whether it's a detail view or a section view, it really doesn't matter. You can use our dimensioning tools to add all of the dimensions that are needed for the view. So if you want to come down and maybe add some dimensions on this particular component, you can easily do that just right from within the detail view. Again, powerful commands built into the drafting environment allows you to get your job done very, very quickly. As we skate to the go to the last sheet, I'm going to come over to the front frame.par, and you'll notice that we also have quick sheet templates set up here, but I'm going to bypass that by holding the shift key down and drag the front frame in. Now when you hold the shift key down and drag in, what it does is it brings up the drawing view creation wizard. I have a some PMI set up in a PMI model view saved in this part file. And so what I want to do is I want to place that model view with the PMI dimensions. I'm also going to turn on grayscale shaded and place that view. Now you'll notice once that view is placed, you can still adjust where it is, but it also brought in PMI dimensions from the part model. So it already has the dimensions that go with it, and I can bring them in and I can adjust them if I need to do that very easily. Okay. So again, to be able to bring in PMI dimensions with a view is easy to do. And then if I still want to use my quick sheet template, grab that same part again, and it's going to bring in the top, the front, and the right view for us instantaneously. I'm going to create a cutting plane on this model. I'm going to pick up the center point and just go through the center. And then when I come out, I'm going to do a section view off to the right side. Section views are associative, so again, if the model changes, both of these views will update. Once they're placed, if you need to adjust them, you can easily do that. Let's take a look at some powerful dimensioning tools that we offer. The favorite, most popular one is called Smart Dimension. They call it Smart for a reason, because you can dimension arcs, circles, and lines with a single tool. In fact, you can even do stacked dimensions if you want to do that. One tool allows you to dimension everything that you want to do. In fact, if you pick a circle, you can, depending on where you put your cursor, it'll pick up your intent of what type of dimension you want to place. And you notice here I get several different options just by movement of my cursor. If I come down and pick this line and this line and key in an A, it gives me an angle dimension. If I want to do a distance between with the Smart Dimension tool and get the overall distance here, I can do that very easily. So you can kind of see how the Smart Dimensioning capability allows you to get your dimensions out there very, very quickly. Let's also take a look at the other dimensioning tools that we offer. For example, distance between. If I zoom up on this and I want to do a distance between this point and this point, and then I go to the very next dimension, it allows me to put it in line, or in a stacked mode. Once I set it to stacked, everything else that I select is going to be in the stacked mode. So if I come down to center point here, it's going to stack it. Now, if I right mouse button click, it takes me out of that stack, and I can come down and maybe I want to pick center to center here, and then maybe add this one. But what if I want to get back in this stack? By right mouse button clicking, I'm still in the command, but if I just select that dimension, it puts me back inside of this stack. So if I start adding more dimensions, it automatically adds them to the stack dimensions that we're using with the distance between command. Again, a very powerful tool. Now, in this particular view, we can continue adding some dimensions with our smart dimension capabilities. Again, that's easy to do. Maybe we want to get the thickness very quickly here. We can do that, or maybe add another radius or line, however we want to do this. But if we want to add other types of annotation, maybe I want to do a call out. And for my call out, I'm going to get rid of the whole call out. I'm just going to go to the property text, and I'm going to come down and I'm going to find file name no extension. So I'm going to add that to my stack, and then when I click OK, no matter where I pick this particular part, it's going to add the text or the call out, and I'm going to be pointing to the file name for one. So you can pull any of the properties that you want from this model into your draft sheet. If I want to place a balloon, I can do that. If I want to maybe place a surface texture symbol, I can do that. And notice if you click in the symbol type, it gives you several different options. So maybe I want machined with a tolerance of 6 thousandths. I come down and I pick that, and it's going to add that surface texture symbol. So we offer datum frames, weld symbols, edge conditions, all types of different options that you can label your parts with. And again, the title block will also extract property information from the file that you're looking for. All you have to do is preset that up in your templates that you're using at your company. Again, solid edge drafting environment, world-class environment, one of the best draft environments out there today, and it always has been a strong environment for solid edge. In ST3, we continually add and make things much better and more powerful. Here we've looked at parts list, bringing in single parts and creating section views and detail views, and then of course we've looked at some powerful dimensioning capabilities all wrapped within the draft environment. Hopefully you've enjoyed this demonstration, and the hand mixer demonstration is available for ST3 for you to be able to show all of your customers and prospects. Thank you.